Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Reddit. Let's have a look now. To begin, go to the Reddit website, log into your Reddit account, click on your username from the top right corner, select Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Profile tab, click on it. Under the Profile section, you will find options to edit various aspects of your profile, including your display name. In the display option, enter your desired new name. After entering, Reddit will update your display name. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.